There's a world-class personal coach hiding inside your ChatGPT account right now. She's talented, she's strategic, she's patient. But here's the twist. Most people will never meet her because they don't know she exists and they don't know where she's hiding. Today, I'm going to show you how to pull her forward, not by typing random prompts, not by hoping for a good answer, but by building her. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you step by step how to create your very own custom GPT, a personalized advisor who knows how to think, speak, and coach the way you need. And I have a feeling this is going to change the way you use AI forever. Tell me if this sounds familiar. You set a goal, you're excited for about 2 weeks, and then life taps you on the shoulder and whispers, not today. So you open ChatGPT and ask the usual things. Help me be more productive. Make me a workout plan. Give me a content schedule. And what comes back? Perfectly polite, perfectly generic, perfectly unhelpful. It's not ChatGPT's fault. It's answering you with zero context. It doesn't know your style, your season of life, your quirks, your fears, or your goals. It's guessing. But what if you could stop guessing and start designing exactly the advisor you want? That's what custom GPTs allow you to do. There's a feature hiding inside ChatGPT called Create. This is not a prompt. This is not a setting. This is not a hack. This is where you literally build a persona, a coach, a mentor, a strategist, a fitness expert, an accountability partner. Whatever you need, you can give it a job description, a personality, a style, and a voice. And you only have to set it up once. From there, every conversation is consistent, aligned, and tailored. No more random answers. No more generic motivation posters disguised as advice. This is what we're actually doing on screen. Step 1, open the Custom GPT Builder, click Explore under GPTs, then click Create. A blank GPT opens. Step 2, go to the Configure tab. This is where the actual building happens. You will enter the name you want this Custom GPT to have, the description, instructions, capabilities, conversation starters, and icon if you want. Step 3, complete all the fields. These must be filled before you can create. I will name ours Vivian's Strategic Advisor. Step 4, paste your persona into the instructions box. This is your advisor's job description, personality, and rules. Step 5, add your icon if you like. You can use the upload method or generate your own if it is available. Step 6, then hit Create. This finalizes your new coach and saves it. You can edit anytime. Step 7, test it in the preview window. Ask it, help me plan my week, and watch it respond like an actual coach, not a generic chatbot. That's the magic. Under Instructions, here's what you paste. You are a custom GPT designed to act as a strategic advisor. Your purpose is to help users think clearly, make decisions, and reach their goals with confidence and simplicity. Your role: specialize in strategy, psychology, planning, and problem solving. Always ask clarifying questions before offering solutions. Think in first principles and break problems into clear steps. Your style is warm, direct, no nonsense tone. Use bullet points, headings, and crisp formatting. Prioritize actionable advice over generic suggestions. Keep responses concise but deeply helpful. End with one thoughtful question that moves the user forward. Your goal is to help the user gain clarity, choose their next step, and make meaningful progress without overwhelm. That's your advisor's entire personality, philosophy, and behavior, all in one place. Once you click Create, your new GPT is live. Now you go to the preview window and type, "Help me get clear on my priorities." Your advisor responds with clarifying questions, structure, thoughtful tone, actionable guidance. This is the moment you feel the difference. It is not a generic list. It's a coach. You can build multiple GPTs instead of constantly editing one. Think a fitness coach, a career mentor, an interview coach, an accountability partner, a beauty expert, a financial advisor, a meal prep disciplinarian, a therapist who refuses to let you self-gaslight. You get the idea. Create whatever support person you wish existed. And the best part, every single one is built using the exact same simple flow I just taught you. You can also upload PDFs or assets. It learns from your files. You can create a whole library of experts. You're no longer limited to one set of instructions. As a reminder, I've bundled the 3 ready-made personas: strategic advisor, fitness and discipline coach, and career mentor into a free PDF you can copy and paste into your own custom GPTs. The link is in the description. Take 5 minutes, build one coach, test it, and watch how different your next conversation feels. You didn't just talk to an AI, you designed an advisor, you built your strategy partner. Now go have some very good conversations.